What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best mechanical gaming keyboard on Aliexpress under $100 through extensive research. I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance of its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the mechanical keyboards, I have included link in the description box down, before which are updated for the best price. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. We can start things off with F2090 wireless mechanical slim keyboard. Because of having lighter and thinner design, it is easy to carry and also looks very cool. It also provides shorter keystrokes that causes faster key response. So, you'll get light speed at typing, which will help you in almost every career related with typing. Its ultra-thin floating acrylonitrile butadiene styrene keycaps are designed ergonomically, so they feel comfortable and they are fun to use also. Its keycaps are thinner than ordinary keycaps. Its base is also lighter and thinner. It is only 8.4 millimeters in thickness, so you will get a cool vibe while using it. It has 3 connection modes that include a 2.4 GHz connection, a wired connection, and Bluetooth connection. It is adaptable with mainstream devices. You can easily connect it with your computer, tablet, and mobile phone. It has a battery capacity of 2,200 mAh that can provide a long-lasting standby time of about half a month without any break. So, you won't have to worry about remaining energy every now and then. And it has lithium-ion battery, which gives this amazing service. Up next, we have RK68 RGB wireless swappable keyboard. It can be hot swapped to your preference and replaced with any of the Gateron or Cherry MX similar mechanical switches on the market. It allows hot swaps of 3-pin or 5-pin switches, so you'll be able to make it quieter, smoother, and more efficient. You will be a popular choice among females, office workers, and game players. It has blue switch that offers quicker and clicky tactile feedback that certainly works for gamers or those who are indulged in the caw-caw sound. It also has a brown switch that offers slider, quitter, and is easier to trigger than blue switches. It is better for typists because of its temperature tactile feedback. Furthermore, it has red switch that offers smoother, quieter, and faster tactile feedback than brown switches, making it especially popular among gaming enthusiasts. And these red switches are best switches that can be used in office. It is a compact 68 keys design. It does not have additional number keys, which makes it space-saving and portable. And you will be satisfied at how much space you save. It supports both wireless and wired mode. It is compatible with Windows, macOS, and Android and perfect fit for most phones, tablets, and computers on the market. This 65% RGB keyboard has 18 RGB backlight modes, 8 monochrome backlight modes, and 1 full-color backlight. You can choose your favorite backlight color mode, brightness, and speed. These modes will give you more enjoyable moments when you're gaming or typing at night. The very next keyboard we have is TH80 Swappable RGB Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. This mechanical keyboard is inspired by Industrial Revolution because it is designed with theory-themed keycaps with symbols like bulb, laboratory bottle, tools, etc. They specially named it Theory because of these iconic keys. You will get aluminum programmable metal knob in it. You will get volume knob that will let you turn up or turn down the volume. You will also get facility to mute the audio with this keyboard. You will get chances to program this keyboard to play or pause, opening search function, etc. You won't need to press any key to switch from a different system. Just simply plug the cable on the device to directly connect to the keyboard. The keyboard will go to corresponding mode in that case. You can find the manual and software to implement advanced functions in their website downloads page. Software is available for both macOS and Windows. It has adjustable feet and 2.4 GHz receiver storage slot. This keyboard is designed to be better ergonomic as to provide more comfortable typing experience. It has adjustable feet to allow you to find the best height and set the perfect position for your typing, gaming, or programming sessions. It features a variety of default RGB effects that you can easily switch between each other with simple shortcuts. Furthermore, compatible software is available for those who loves more DIY settings. You can make your own effects with the software. Furthermore, we have official RK84 wireless RGB mechanical keyboard in our list. You can do hot swap at wish and replace by all of Gateron or Cherry MX similar mechanical switches existing in the market freely. You can replace switches and make this keyboard smoother, quicker and faster, and be prevalent between office workers, girls, and game enthusiasts. It has 3 necessary modes, including wireless mode with Bluetooth 5.0, hassle-free 2.4 GHz, and USB-C dongle mode. It has an innovative 80% unique layout that differs from traditional 10-keyless keyboards, which cuts more clumsy space off while supporting the same functionality as practical arrow, multimedia, and control keys. Its hot swap printed circuit board allows you to replace 3 pins or 5-pin switches freely without soldering issue. You can enjoy the fun of making your own keyboard. You can go ahead and choose brown switches with gentle and stable features. It compromises both tactile and low noise, 2 supreme merits, and offers you the friendly and satisfying experience. It is armed with 2 built-in USB pass-through ports and 1 Type-C port, allowing to back up more facilities. With its 3,750 mAh capacity, you will get 200 hours of non-stop using time under backlight off status, and it can be fully charged in 6 to 7 hours. We can finish it up with RK925 foldable mechanical wireless keyboard in our list. This keyboard is the first generation foldable Bluetooth keyboard with mechanical switches on the market. It has a built-in stand for iPad, tablets, phones, which will give you the perfect screen angle. The holder will be magnetically attached to the foldable keyboard. It offers the speed, accuracy, and performance of a mechanical blue switch at half the height. Its clicky switches feature a distinctive sound and tactile feedback. It can be connected with up to 3 devices via Bluetooth mode. It also has wired mode with USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable. Its compact 68 keys layout provides typing experience just like the desktop KB you're used to. With its 5,640 mAh capacity, you can use it for up to 200 hours non-stop using under backlight off status. And it can be fully charged in only 2 to 3 hours. Thanks for watching. If you like the video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I will see you guys later.